to know how faceless YouTube channels are raking in millions of views and thousands of dollars with just a few viral marble music videos? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, right from your mobile phone, in just 5 minutes, and without any copyright issues. This channel has uploaded 121 videos and gained over 5 million subscribers. Let me show you their most popular video. Another example is this virtual 3D channel. They're doing the same thing. And then there's CC Music Ball. They're all creating similar content but with different styles. These videos are typically generated using 3D software like Blender. But I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way, using only your mobile phone. This video is divided into 3 parts: installing the app, recording the video, editing the video. The video part 1. Installing the app first. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for the Beat Bounce Ball game. Install the app. It's available for both Android and iPhone users. This method is simple, but it's important to watch carefully the first time and not skip any part of the video. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Before creating any video, you need to complete some levels. Under the Songs section, you'll see 3 different levels available. Click on any level to start loading. Tap on Start. And when the ball hits an object, just tap it. It's easy. Just keep tapping to complete the first level, which is important to unlock the next level for creating our video. Once done, click on the Next button, then the Continue button, and finally the Home button. Now that we've completed the level, we can create our video. Click on User Levels. Part 2. Recording the video here. We have 2 options. We can create a video using the app's default music. We can use our own custom or favorite music. Let me show you both methods. First, click on any song name in the New or Popular section. Before starting the game, tap on Record Mode. This will activate Auto Mode, meaning you don't need to do anything. Next, tap on the Record button. A new window will pop up, where you can choose to use your mobile phone's screen recorder or the game's built-in screen recorder. I recommend using the game's built-in screen recorder. Just tap on the Record button and start recording. You can relax as this is auto mode. After the video is completed, it will be saved in your gallery. Now, go back to the home screen. To avoid copyright issues, you can use AI-generated music or copyright-free music. In User Levels, tap on Level Editor Beta. You can select sample music, but we want to use our own music, so tap on Create New. Now, I have my music file, which is in MP3 format. However, the game requires a MIDI file. We need to convert our music file using a website. I'll leave a link in the video description. Upload your MP3 file, click on the Convert button, and then download it. If you're doing this on a PC, transfer the file to your mobile. Place the file in the download folder of your mobile. Now, go back to the app and tap on the Import button. Select your music file. Type in the artist's name, and in the difficulty level, choose Easy. Then tap Next. Here, you need to select your instrument. Choose any that you think is suitable for your music. Then tap on the Preview button. You can play or change the beat position, and simply tap on the Save button. After this, you will be redirected to the level editor. First, tap on Ball and pick any color. There are many different balls available. Next, tap on Lighting and set the environment like day or night. The next option is the Wall, which means background effects. Keeping a simple and clean background will make your video better, so I'm selecting a simple one. Then, tap on Particle FX and choose the ball animation. After these settings, you can change the material color too, but in the free mode, options are limited. Next, tap on the Next Object button and keep tapping when you need an object. You can change the object's direction by using 2 fingers on the screen. You can also change these objects' shapes, auto rotation, etc. Just select any and keep tapping on the Next Object button. To add your watermark, tap on the plus button. Here, you can add rails, tubes, planes, and text. Now, tap on Text and edit your name or channel name. you can reposition it as needed. If your ball gets stuck in any position, you need to delete the object and change the direction of the object. For example, if you're stuck, tap on the previous object button, then tap on Clear Frames, and change your object's direction. Then, continue by tapping on the next object button. You need to complete the level 100%. Once it's done, tap on the Publish button. It will ask you to play the published level. Tap Yes. Here, make sure that Record Mode is on and that you have a screen recorder app if you don't want to use the game's recorder. Then, tap on the Record button. I'm using the built-in game screen recorder, so I can select the screen resolution and then simply tap on the Record button. Note, in the free mode, you will see a watermark, which we will remove in the video editing part. Also, you might notice that the game is blurry or there are lags in the recording. Don't worry, the final video will be fine. Take your time and record your video until the end. Once done, the video will be saved in your mobile gallery. Final step, video editing. Now simply export your video to your PC or use CapCut on your mobile device. Just import the video file and drag it onto the timeline. Editing the video is straightforward. Just trim the watermark section and your video is ready for publishing. Export the video, and here are the results. Before you hit publish, remember this crucial tip. Avoid using copyrighted music in your videos. Instead, opt for AI-generated music or royalty-free tracks to keep your content safe and monetizable. You can find great music on platforms like Upbeat or generate your own with AI tools. Also, make sure to experiment with different ball designs, lighting, and background effects to create unique animations that stand out. The more creative you are, the more likely your video will go viral. And don't forget to add your channel's watermark to protect your content. Consistency is key. Keep experimenting, uploading, and learning from each video you create. With time, you'll master this niche and start seeing those views and subscribers roll in. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tips. Let's make some viral content together.